Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's see how to make portfolio file. We can use this portfolio model for schools and college, assignment, and projects. First we need a hard cardboard. Let's cut the cardboard for the following measurements. Stick it with brown tape. Take a black cardboard and cut it into below measurement. Now, wrap the cut sheet to the hardboard, as per the video. Stick it using glue. Now, we need white papers with the following measurements. Stick the 530 paper in the middle of the hardboard as per the video. Take any normal file, and take the clip out of it. You may get hurt, please be careful, take help of adults if you are minor. Cut to pieces from the file for the below measurements. Stick it onto white papers as per the video using glue. Make two holes on each paper using a punching machine as per the video. Attach the clip to paper. You may get hurt, please be careful, take help of adults if you are minor. Now, stick both the papers to hardboard. Let's create pockets inside the file. Cut a piece of sheet from black cardboard for below measurement. Take a HP sheet and cut the below measurement. Wrap the OHP sheet with black cardboard and glue it. Now the pocket is ready to stick inside the file. Create another pocket and stick in front of the file as per the video. This can be used for photo ID and labeling file. Take any 3 color of quilling paper strips and use it as per the video. Use glue stick to stick it. Make sure to leave space in between for pocket. Write your school, college, university, or institute name as per the video. Stick logo in the middle of the cover page. Cut stencils of portfolio up glitter sheet. Stick it using glue. File is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.